everyone, I'm back again. Amrita here, speech language pathologist and audiologist from Ida Mood B3. Okay, I'm back again with our phonics part 4 video. Yeah, in the previous videos I mentioned all that. I hope you all have gone through that and I'm getting good results also. Many parents are giving feedback that it's good, it's very in a simple way, all that. So our next part which I'm going to do is like diagrams. So we have finished with our phonics like ab, k, d, with all our entire sounds, 24 sounds we have finished. Next I'm going to tell you the next step to teach like the child is there is something called as diagrams. Actually grammatically when I say it's like a combination of some phonemes that and all, it's not required. You just keep this in mind. There are some 7 sounds in English which comes together and it like it's like a 2 consonants which some comes together. So you just hear this. There are like 7 things which we have to teach to the child. Do not go through all those grammatical things and it will be little confusing. So here I have put it in a simple way. See, some sounds like actually we taught the child that it's p sound. The first one is p sound and the second one is h sound. So, but while reading, when these 2 sounds comes together, we call this as f. So, when p, h comes, it is f sound. So, it's very similar. You just have to teach the child. Babu, look at this. When p, h, when this comes together, it is f sound. See, for example, like phone, P-H-O-N-E, phone. So it's when P-H, P-H comes, f sound. Going to the next. We are already taught the child that when W comes, it is W sound and H comes, it is H sound. But when these 2 combinations comes together, when W, H comes together in a word, we sound it as W, W, W. It's not W, it's W. It's like similar to W, W, W. Even if you teach it as like W also, it's fine. It doesn't make much difference. And the next sound is, it's, see, k, h. When these 2 sounds comes together, it is ch, ch, chair, ch, k, h. So when these 2 comes together, it is ch sound. It's not cha, it is ch, ch, ch. Moving on to the next. It's sh. When s, h comes together, we sound it as sh, 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 share, shower, sh, ship, sh sound. Moving on to the next. It's t, h. When this comes together, it is th. We have already taught the child it is t sound and it is her sound. But when this 2 comes together in a word, we sound it as th, 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 th. You have to keep your tongue above. See? Th, th, th. Moving on to the next. It's easy. We taught the child that when O comes, it's same O sound. But when 2 O sound sound comes, O, it's oo. So when O comes together, it's oo, oo sound, oo, oo, oo sound. Moving on to the next. We already taught this as A sound. It's A sound. But when A comes together, that is small letter E comes together, it's E sound. Like how I said in the phonics one video, you do not mention it as letters, it's sounds. A comes together, it's E, keep. E sound. E, it's not E. And this is not oo, it's oo. So these all are some diagrams. So after teaching the phonics, all the phonics sounds, you can move to the next level, that is diagrams, so that the child will be understanding. Otherwise, when you make the child read, it will be little confusing. So, and the way to teach is 1 week or 2 weeks you target only for diagrams. Do not take the duration like less, like within a week and all, or within like 10 days. Do not try to teach diagrams. It's little confusing. So you can use like chips, like how I said in part 1. After diagrams, this is the next level which you can target. See, here I have mentioned some sounds, which is the combination of like prepositions, pronouns, all that. But you do not take it like separately, like prepositions, pronouns, all that. You can target some simple words which is like very frequently occurring in English language while reading all that. See the words like in, of, was, is, on, his, him, has, and, at, from, to. So I have just taken like few words like this. So you can take, see, did you notice in all these words, it's not more than like 2-3 sounds. So initially it is very easy for the child to start reading in these sounds. Now next I'm just going to explain you how you can make the child read. See, there is a very simple technique. This is not available anywhere. It's like our own technique. See, what you can do is, I have taken a word, see, it's in, E, in. I have targeted a word, in. So what you can do is, we taught the child this as E. And another sound, it is N. So what you can do is, see, E, N, E, N, E, N, E, N, in. Did you see the way I explained? See, initially I said it like it's in a very like I put some distance, and then I said slowly. See, E, N. Babu, look at this. You can write this in A4 size paper or in a blank page with a small sketch pen or something. You can catch the child's attention. See, Babu, can you look at this? We are going to read. See, we are going to read in. Okay. See, can you see this? This is which sound? It's E sound. E. And next I am going to write N sound. N. So can we start joining these sounds? Let's join these sounds. E, N, E, N, E, N, E, in. So how you can do is, it's very easy and it's little interesting also for the child. How you can do is, you can keep your hands like little far initially. E, N, E, N, E, N, E, in. So you will get a clap also. Wow. So the child will also be imitating the exact like how you are doing. In. And it's little interesting also. Like this, you can just initially make the child read all the two sounds. See, like in, o, of. Going at the end, when we keep on coming, it should be like faster. Initially it should be like slower, so that we are keeping our hands also near. W, a, s, w, a, w, a, w, a, wa. So again wa comes. Wa, s, wa, s, wa, s, wa, s, was. So in the similar way you can do all these words. So that is the next level which you can go, like even for example like him. If I want to make the child read him, you can write the word him initially. H, E, M. H, E. H, E. H, E. He. So we got he. Okay, next is, let's join the next sound is, which is the next one. It's So he is already there. We already read. He, 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 him. Yes, you did it. It's good. It's him. So in that way, you can target all these like sounds now, which is like, it shouldn't be more than like 3 sounds. So I'm just concluding over here. Our next part is like we are finishing the phonics part 5. That is there in the next part. In that I will be explaining you how from this level how you can move it to small sentence, and from sentences, yeah, through short paragraphs, all that. So thanks for watching. Bye.